I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming exactly what you have: device model, OS version, and connected monitor type. Once confirmed, disconnect external displays so you can isolate the problem to one screen. Next, open your display settings and the GPU control panel, Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA, because the next steps change per driver. While you have them open, note resolution and refresh rate. Those values will be adjusted. Make sure to save current settings or take a quick screenshot for rollback. Now you focus on adjustments that actually resolve splits. Set the display to its native resolution and correct orientation because mismatched settings create halves or bands. Then update the graphics driver. If the split started after an update, roll back or reinstall the driver to remove recent corruptions. Also check multi-display mode, switch between duplicate, extend, and single to see whether splitting persists. While testing, reboot after each major change so drivers and settings reload cleanly. Finish by checking hardware. Inspect and receipt cables, then swap HDMI or DisplayPort cables and ports because a bad cable often causes split displays. If possible, connect a different monitor or connect your monitor to another device to isolate hardware from software. If the problem remains, boot into safe mode to test with default drivers, and only then consider a factory reset, but back up data first. One key tip: if the split appears randomly, keep a log of when it happens to spot patterns tied to apps or power events.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.